Hello, everybody. In today's video, we're going to walk you through ClickSend's new MMS feature, which is now available to integrate within ActiveCampaign. What we're going to look at is firstly just sending an individual MMS through the new image URL field. Secondly, we will automate sending an MMS using either a shared or dedicated sender ID. And then lastly, we will go through which countries are supported for sending MMS, such as the US, Canada, Australia, and Puerto Rico. So let's get into it. So to get started, we're going to need to be logged into our ActiveCampaign account. Then once we're on the dashboard, we're going to find our way to the automations page and then click create an automation. And then we're just going to select start from scratch and then continue. So first thing we need to do with our automation is add a trigger. For this example, we're going to select tag is added as our trigger. Then we are able to name the tag and change the options so it can run multiple times. And then we can just save those options. Now for the fun part, we're going to add our action. So we're going to search for click send. Here you'll see a number of actions we offer, but for this automation, we're going to select send an MMS. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select your ClickSend account. If you haven't connected your ClickSend account yet, you have the option to add that account at the bottom of this screen. And then you'll get the chance to manage your message settings. Firstly, we're going to select which number we want to send from. Remember, it needs to be either a shared or dedicated number. We also have the option to add an opt-out list. Now we get to the part where we upload an image URL to be able to send this image as an MMS. If you already have the image URL, then great, just paste it in this field. However, if you don't and don't know where to retrieve the image URL from, then don't worry. If you click the hyperlinked MMS upload portal, it will take you to this handy little tool we've created specifically for sending MMS. Log in with your ClickSend account, then simply just add your image, click upload, and a URL specific to that image will be created for you, which you can copy and paste back into the field within ActiveCampaign. Now we just complete the rest of the text portions of our message. We need to add a subject line, which will appear above the MMS image. And then we can add our message body. Then we can hit finish and our action is set up and ready to go. So finally, we just need to make sure this automation is turned on to active to make sure it will work. Then what we can do is head over to a contact within ActiveCampaign to test the automation. And then within their contact page, if you add the name of the tag for this automation, which for me was MMS 123, and then refresh the page, it will send that MMS message to this contact. Then you can see within the contacts recent activities that they entered into the automation test MMS. You're also able to check your send history within the ClickSend dashboard. As you can see here, that test MMS message was delivered. Great. So that is it, guys. I hope this has helped. If you're looking to automate MMS or SMS messages through ActiveCampaign, then search for ClickSend within the marketplace and get automating.
ClickSend is business communications solved.